Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IELTS at Ease. In this video, I'll be discussing some important idioms to improve your band score for the speaking module. Also, I will suggest you some cue cards for each idiom where you can use it easily. So let's start our video, and the first idiom is spill the beans. It means to reveal the secret. I'll give you some examples. He spilled the beans and told everyone that Gavi failed the test. There are some cue cards where you can use this idiom. The first one is describe an argument two of your friends had. In this cue card, you can start your cue card by saying, the argument started when Honey spilled the beans in front of one of the friends. Then you can start describing the situation in your cue card. Also, in the intro part, if you are describing either your friend or relative, you can use this idiom to describe the personality trait. Let me give you some other examples. I am very good at keeping secrets. I will not spill the beans. It means I will not reveal the secret. The second one is I don't like it when people don't keep secrets and they spill the beans. And the third is did you spill the beans and tell everyone that I failed my test? So such kind of sentences can be made in your cue card or in your speaking module. The second idiom is out of the world. It means to be extremely impressive or extraordinary. For example, her performance in the competition was out of the world. Cue cards where you can use this idiom are describe a town or city where you would like to live in the future. Here you can add that the view of this place is out of the world. That is why I want to live there in the future. And the second cue card is describe your favorite movie. You can add that the animation or the acting skills of the performers was out of the world. The next cue card could be your favorite singer. For example, it can be added that his singing skills are out of the world. Overall, you can add this idiom for any place like tall building you have visited or exhibition you have visited or a special hotel you stayed. Let's have a look at other examples. The views from the hotel room is out of the world. The dinner was out of the world. Now we will move to the third idiom. Our third idiom is castles in the air. It means to have dreams that are impossible to achieve or daydreams. For example, my brother just builds castles in the air and does nothing. If I talk about the cue cards, you can use this idiom in any cue card where you want to describe the personality of any person. For example, he never builds castles in the air and tries to get everything with his hard work. Other examples are don't build castles in the air, instead try to earn something. Your scheme is merely a castle in the air. The next idiom is tickled pink. This is really an impressive idiom that can be used whenever you want to show your happiness or excitement. For example, I was tickled pink to know about my success in exams. Obviously, there are many cue cards where this can be used, like a live sports match you have watched, a piece of local news that people are interested in, a time when you helped a friend, an art exhibition you have visited, a special hotel you stayed in, a thing you bought and felt happy, an old friend you got in contact again, and many more cue cards. Let me give you some examples relevant to cue cards. I was tickled pink when our team won the match. I was tickled pink when I started using my newly bought mobile phone as it had several features that were not present in my old phone. So such kind of sentences can be used in your cue cards. Let's move to our next idiom. The fifth idiom is have a whale of a time, which means to enjoy a lot. For example, we had a whale of a time at the beach last weekend. And the cue cards are as follow: a place where you like to spend time, a place you visited recently, your favorite movie, a time when you were really close to a wild animal. So, all the cue cards can include this idiom. You should add, I had a whale of a time when I visited this place. Other examples are, the movie was so entertaining that I had a whale of a time at the theater. He enjoyed the party, danced, drank, and generally had a whale of a time. Let's move to the next idiom. The next idiom is to face the facts. It stands for to accept something that is true, especially something negative. You can use this in the introduction part or follow up part or any cue card where the situation is not good but we have to accept. For example, global warming, pollution, corruption, and so on. For example, the time has come to face the fact that the government's policies are not working. Other examples are, let's face the facts, our plan is not working. Everyone should have the quality to face the facts and act accordingly. My friend is always ready to face the facts and move on. So, these sentences can be used in your cue cards or in your speaking module. Our next idiom is a drop in the ocean. It means a very small part of something. For example, although I give money to the charity, but sometimes I feel it is just a drop in the ocean. And the second example is the scholarship was a drop in the ocean of my tuition costs, so I am going to a community college instead. The eighth idiom is the in thing. It means something fashionable. Cue cards to use this idiom are: describe something you bought and felt happy. Describe a bag that you want to own. Describe a person who wears unusual clothes. You can make examples like iPhones are really the in thing at the moment. In thing means fashionable at the moment. Raman is very old fashioned. He never does the in thing. Health and fitness are the in thing these days. The next idiom is a hot potato, which means a controversial topic. The cue cards to use this idiom are a piece of news you are interested in. The second is describe a time you saw something interesting on social media. And the third one is a piece of international news you have recently heard. Let me give you some examples. The issue has become a hot potato, or you can add the issue of corruption, the issue of robbery, whatever the issue is, you can say the issue of what you want to add has become a hot potato. The unemployment is a real hot potato these days. I never discuss about anyone's religion. It can be a hot potato. So these examples are for this idiom. Last but not the least, to cost an arm and a leg, it means extremely expensive. Cue cards are describe something you bought recently. The second is describe a person who wears unusual clothes. The third is a piece of international news you have heard recently. And the examples are, I recently bought an iPhone that costs me an arm and a leg. And the second is, I want to buy a new branded bag. but it will cost me an arm and a leg. So this is all about our idioms for today's video. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more updates and cue cards. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe and also share it with your friends.